My name's Axel Wadlund. I'm here with FLX Bike. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. Been living in San Diego for the past 3 years now, soaking up the sun and biking almost every day. Started biking at a young age. I think I first took the training wheels off at my friend's house. I just decided to huck it, just go down the driveway, rip them off and see if I could balance, and it worked out. Ever since then I've been riding. To me, biking is a way to kind of release all my daily thoughts and stresses. Any worry I had, I can just hop on the bike, turn on some tunes, and just release, every thought of anything I've ever had, just kind of escape. Biking's such a huge part of my life. I like to bike about 5 days a week. If I'm biking, less than 50 miles a week, then something's off. Your boy Axel, he's not gonna be normal that week, but definitely gotta get in those miles every week. It's a huge part of my life. If you're not crashing, then you're not pushing yourself. Probably my worst crash was when I bit my tongue off and I did a crazy face plant on a dirt jump, woke up in the hospital, and I was telling my friend not to look at my pee-pee in the hospital room. I was so concussed. I was out of it. It was ridiculous. True story. I've known about FLX now for about 6 months, and I kind of fell into this job just doing what I love. Just biking on the boardwalk, doing some crazy wheelies, doing some fun bunny hops, and Rob Rast, he just rode up to me, said, "Yo bro, we got a shred." Thought that was awesome, so got his contact information, and the rest is history. Here I am, FLX. I first rode an e-bike when FLX reached out to me to be in one of their advertisements. I was super stoked to showcase my skills and to ride an e-bike for the first time. I had no idea what to expect. I knew that the bike was well equipped, so I wasn't worried about that, but just never ridden an e-bike, so it was exciting.
Action!
For that video shoot, FLX set me up with their Blade model. It's a killer bike for just going out on the technical trails and smashing without breaking a sweat hardly. Truly is different than riding my daily bike where I have to kind of plan, be prepared to be exhausted after my ride, and just be totally wiped. The speed on the Blade is killer. It's so fast. It's like a dirt bike. I can't even believe that, we're in the generation where we can just have these things, ride them whenever we want, go shred, go commute, do whatever on this bike. It's unbelievable. I really like to think that I have the dream job here at FLX Bike. I get to do what I love day in and day out, work on bikes, talk with people, help solve problems, innovate, and excite everyone that comes into the doors. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, I'm here behind this desk, got the phones ringing, got the chat activated, and here to just answer your questions. I love talking to people, trying to get them riding and get their bikes dialed over the phone, over the internet, or even as a walk-in customer, we got you set up. Say if you had any questions about whether or not you should be on an e-bike, definitely just stop in to our location here in San Diego, or check out FLX Select, where you can find riders around you, test ride one of the FLX bikes, and really get an idea of what we're doing here at FLX. I can guarantee you that if you know how to ride a normal bike, you can ride an e-bike, no sweat. So if you're one of the people that just got their e-bike and you're not sure if something's running right, just bring it on in. I love getting people's bikes in, seeing what they're riding, seeing how they're riding, and getting their bike tuned up just for them. It's a great feeling to have someone walk out with a perfect bike after they came in with a little issue. And usually it's a 20-minute fix, and we'll get you out the door with a big smile on your face. I think the future of cycling is changing rapidly. With e-bikes, you're never gonna have to wonder, can I go there? Will I be too sweaty? Should I go to the grocery store on my bicycle? You're probably just gonna wanna hop on your bike and go, knowing that it's gonna be stress-free and easy. I think here at FLX Bike, we're truly limitless as to what we can achieve. In the future, definitely, we're gonna be pushing out tons of great ideas, tons of cool content. really just gonna be having fun for you guys because we want you to enjoy what we're giving to you. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to catch you out on the trails, maybe on the boardwalk while we're doing some killer wheelies. I'm Axel and I'm FLX. You know, life without bicycles would be pretty terrible, but thankfully we have the Miles skateboard.